In the vibrant and mysterious world of the ocean, one creature stands out for its unique appearance and fascinating behaviors. The seahorse, scientifically known as hippocampus, which translates to horse sea. The seahorse belongs to the family Cygnathidea and is renowned for its distinctive shape, resembling a miniature horse with a curled tail and elongated body. These captivating creatures are not only a visual delight but also play an essential role in the marine ecosystem. As we dive deeper into the life of seahorses, we will explore their habitats, behaviors, feeding habits, reproductive processes, and the conservation challenges they face. Seahorses inhabit shallow coastal waters in a variety of environments, including coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangrove forests. These areas provide the perfect shelter and breeding grounds for seahorses, allowing them to thrive. The most commonly observed species are often found in warm, temperate waters, but some species can also be found in cooler regions. Seahorses typically prefer environments where they can easily camouflage themselves, which is crucial for their survival. They often attach themselves to seagrasses or corals using their prehensile tails, which helps them stay anchored in place, especially during currents. This unique adaptation not only serves a practical purpose but also allows them to blend into their surroundings, making it easier to evade predators such as larger fish and birds. One fascinating fact about seahorses is their ability to change color. This ability is not just for camouflage, it can also reflect their emotional state. For instance, a seahorse may become darker when agitated or lighter when calm. This color-changing ability, along with their unique shape, makes them one of the most visually striking inhabitants of the ocean. Their vibrant hues can range from pale yellows to deep reds, and even the darker shades of brown and black. Each species has its own specific coloration, which not only helps in camouflage but also plays a role in mating rituals. The variety in color and size among different seahorse species is a remarkable example of how nature adapts to various environmental conditions. Unfortunately, these delicate ecosystems are under threat from pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change, which pose significant risks to the survival of seahorses. As the oceans become increasingly polluted, the habitats that seahorses rely on are being compromised, leading to a decline in their populations. Water pollution from agricultural runoff, plastic waste, and oil spills can severely affect the health of marine life, including seahorses. For example, chemicals that enter the ocean can disrupt the endocrine systems of marine creatures, leading to reproductive issues and other health problems. Additionally, the destruction of mangrove forests and coral reefs due to coastal development and climate change can significantly reduce the available habitat for seahorses. Seahorses are intriguing creatures when it comes to their behavior and social interactions. Unlike many other fish, seahorses exhibit a tendency to form monogamous pairs, often staying together for an entire breeding season. This unique social structure sets them apart in the aquatic world, where many species are solitary. Seahorses communicate with each other through a variety of behaviors, including courtship dances, which can involve entwining their tails and swimming in synchronized movements. During these courtship displays, the male and female may change colors and swim side by side, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that showcases their bond. This bond between mating pairs is so strong that they will often greet each other with a dance each morning, reinforcing their partnership. Their swimming style is also distinctive. They use a small dorsal fin on their backs to propel themselves forward, while their pectoral fins help them steer, making their movement graceful yet somewhat awkward compared to other fish. This unusual swimming method, combined with their slow, deliberate movements, allows them to conserve energy in their search for food. Seahorses are not particularly fast swimmers, which can make hunting a challenge, and this limitation further emphasizes the importance of their habitats, where they can find ample cover to hunt effectively. When it comes to feeding, seahorses are unique in their approach. They primarily feed on tiny crustaceans and plankton, using their elongated snouts to suck in their prey. Their feeding technique is fascinating. They do not have teeth and cannot chew their food, so they rely on their ability to create a vacuum with their mouths to draw in food. This method of feeding requires them to be stealthy hunters, as they must approach their prey slowly and carefully to avoid startling it. Studies have shown that seahorses can consume up to 3,000 brine shrimp a day, which highlights their need for abundant food sources in their environment. Despite their intriguing feeding habits, seahorses face numerous challenges in the wild. The loss of their natural habitats due to human activity has made it increasingly difficult for them to find adequate food. Additionally, their specialized feeding method means that they are highly reliant on the availability of specific prey types. As their habitats are destroyed or altered, the food sources they depend on may also decline, leading to further complications for their survival. One of the most remarkable aspects of seahorse biology is their reproductive process. In a rare twist among the animal kingdom, it is the male seahorse that becomes pregnant. During mating, the female transfers her eggs into the male's brood pouch, a specialized structure on his abdomen where the eggs are fertilized and nurtured. The male then carries the developing embryos for several weeks until they are fully formed. This unique reproductive strategy is not only fascinating but also ensures a higher survival rate for the offspring, as they are sheltered within the male's pouch. Once the young seahorses are ready to hatch, the male goes through a series of contractions to expel them into the water. This process can result in the birth of up to 1,500 tiny seahorses at a time, which must immediately fend for themselves. This unique method of reproduction highlights the strong bond between the two partners and showcases the diversity of reproductive strategies found in nature. In addition to their fascinating reproductive habits, seahorses play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They serve as both predators and prey, contributing to the balance of marine life. By feeding on small crustaceans and plankton, they help control these populations, ensuring a healthy ecosystem. Moreover, seahorses are often preyed upon by larger fish, birds, and other marine predators, making them a vital part of the food web. Their presence indicates a healthy marine environment, as they are sensitive to changes in water quality and habitat conditions. While there are over 70 species of seahorses around the world, each exhibiting unique characteristics and adaptations, they all face similar threats. Seahorses are often targeted by fishing practices, including trawling and netting, which can lead to overfishing and population declines. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, many seahorse species are currently classified as vulnerable or endangered, highlighting the urgent need for conservation efforts. Additionally, the destruction of their natural habitats, primarily due to coastal development and pollution, poses a significant challenge to their survival. As the oceans continue to warm and acidify due to climate change, seahorse populations may decline further, exacerbating the challenges they face. Conservation efforts are critical for the survival of seahorses and their habitats. Various organizations and researchers are working tirelessly to raise awareness about the importance of seahorses and their ecosystems. Efforts include establishing marine protected areas, promoting sustainable fishing practices, and conducting research to better understand seahorse populations and their needs. For instance, initiatives such as the Seahorse Sanctuary Project focus on habitat restoration and creating safe zones for seahorses to thrive. Education and community involvement are also key components of these initiatives, as local communities can play a significant role in protecting these unique creatures. By engaging in responsible tourism and advocating for sustainable practices, individuals can contribute to the preservation of seahorse populations. In conclusion, the seahorse is a remarkable example of the wonders of the natural world. Its unique appearance, intriguing behaviors, and vital role in marine ecosystems make it a captivating subject for study and conservation. As we learn more about these incredible creatures, it becomes clear that we must take action to protect their habitats and ensure their survival for generations to come. By fostering a greater appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the ocean and its inhabitants, we can all contribute to the conservation of seahorses and the ecosystems they inhabit. Let us work together to safeguard the future of these enchanting creatures, for they are a testament to the incredible diversity of life that our planet has to offer. Through education, advocacy, and responsible practices, we can help ensure that seahorses continue to thrive in their natural habitats. The seahorse reminds us of the delicate balance of life in our oceans and the importance of every species within that balance. It serves as a symbol of resilience and beauty in the marine world, and it is our responsibility to protect it. With ongoing efforts to raise awareness and implement effective conservation strategies, there is hope for the future of seahorses and the ecosystems they inhabit. Together, we can make a difference, ensuring that these unique and captivating creatures remain a part of our oceans for generations to come.